It's not spring, but somebody's doing spring cleaning. The groundhog said early spring, so I guess he's cleaning up early. Just because of the sun today. Look at that. So bright outside. Or maybe he's working just to drink some Johnny Walker later. Let's see which one it is. Is this for early spring or Johnny Walker?
Whichever one comes first. What's going on? It's nice out here. February 2nd? It is the 2nd or the 3rd? Yeah, see? T-shirt, February. This is the peak of winter. And then it goes back up. Temperature go, yeah, it goes back up from now on. Lie. 6 more weeks of winter coming.
Shine. I'm gonna put your chair there and sit now.
Yeah. I get some color right here. I gotta do the inside and we good. One Guyana. Sun like Guyana right there. Alright. I hear one of my cousins out there, so albino. Hey, what's going on? That's a white squirrel. Not very often you see one of these guys. Where you at? Where you at? You're on gone, man. He's on the fence. Just took off. See me there. Where am I going? There he is. There he is. I found him. See him? Very rare. White squirrel. Yo, come here. Come, come. Yeah, man. Winter has changed a lot of people and things around here, so I'm looking for his nut or his stash for the winter. See him? I'm digging through all the pots. Where you at? Where you at? Anyways, he gone. So what's going on, happy people? Sun is out, man. February. Really nice. See in t-shirt? Yeah. So, just getting some stuff done. Go make some lunch. What are we making today, Stink?
Jerk.
We're making some jerk. Beside this one. Yeah. So, yeah, see here what's going on here? Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. Yeah. See all the snow starting to melt? But we didn't really get too much snow. So we didn't get too much snow. Not for this winter. Whenever it fell, it all melted out, right? See what the garden look like? Soon we gotta replenish. We gotta replenish the garden, man. Hopefully it turn out better this year. But yeah, so we're gonna run a little jerk chicken and maybe some yellow rice now, and then maybe something else for dinner. Let's see what's going on in here. Lady that door thing over there. What are you drinking? Alright, so what you got there? What you got there? So you got chicken. This is the pimento Jamaican allspice
And this is
whole. So you gotta blend this, right?
This is our version, okay?
Yeah. This is how, well, this is how the wife makes she jerk chicken for we. Alright? We got that this thing here, so.
Some parsley.
Parsley.
Some broadleaf thyme. Some fine thyme.
Alright, so broadleaf thyme, fine thyme, parsley. And on this can over here, we got onions and garlic. We got the spicy jerk seasoning and the mild one. You putting both of them in? Yeah. And the pimento, right? So all that gonna get all mixed up there. Blend up and mix up. And the chicken done, wash and ready to roll.
Pimento seed.
Alright, so you're throwing in the pimento seed. Yeah. It's a handful.
Not even a handful, probably 10.
With a piece of ginger as well.
We can't do it too spicy.
Yeah. Alright, don't start that yet. So, I gotta go on the road. I gotta go grab Lex. Lex is done basketball. So I'm gonna go pick him up. Hopefully the camera lady don't mash up and think the camera is on again. So, you let me know. I'll go and I'll come back. Alright? So,
I'll do your
see you
video.
guys.
I'll do your video.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
I'll do your video and if you buy me an ice cap.
Yeah. After the work, you're gonna get paid.
No, you do ice cap. An ice cap.
After work, then you get paid.
I'm doing your work. I have to get paid.
That's water, by the way. Okay, water. Alright, I'll be back. I'll be back.
So we're gonna put our dry season together. So we have the Caribbean mix, some salt, some paprika, browning sauce, some black pepper, and some 5-spice seasoning. And we're gonna mix this up with some oil. Can I have the oil ready? That's good. And get all this good stuff together. And I'm gonna add our blended fresh green seasoning. Mix this all together. The oil down. Hold the camera. Not. Look at that goodness. So we're not gonna use a lot of pepper because the kids like the chicken, but they don't like when it's spicy. Well, Alex is okay, it's just Ryan. So, add some this jerk sauce inside. Remember, we already got the fresh one, so we're just adding some of these just for the other flavor, for stuff that I'm missing. And this is the very spicy one, so you only take a little bit of it. So this one, jerk season, and it's very hot. Only a little bit. You smell that already, Ryan? Yeah. It smells very spicy. So now that we got all the season all together, I'm gonna season the chicken. I'll rub it up. Just get some and then we'll add it in the bowl and gonna mix it all together. Massage it in, and we're gonna leave this for probably in half an hour to an hour, and then we'll bake it. Okay, gonna finish these off and I'll get back to you guys.
Alright, we back. I'm back. Went on a little run. Just wanna get there. Nice. What you got there? Hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Nice cap. Yeah. And nice cap. For me. You gonna have your Jack? Hey, by the way, I bring up this Jackie and have a drink. Here's your ice cap. Why is my bottle gone down? Huh? Jack been like halfway here the last time I checked on it. Which one are you messing around with the Jack? I think they take in little sips when they go downstairs to play pool and watch TV and play games. Which one are you? What are you looking at? Everybody get their hand full already with something. Yeah, have fun. Your work, you're gonna get paid. Timbits, guys, timbits. Yeah.
Cheers, nice warm day.
Yeah, it's hot in here. I gotta take off my sweater. Come like summer. The sun is out. Anyways, you cooling down?
Oh, I throw a shot in there.
Yo, nice it up, nice it up.
No.
Nice it up. It's gotta go in the garbage, okay? Alright, so we doing some the little round potatoes. Little round potatoes. Just a little gold potato. What are you gonna do? Bake those?
I'll boil it first, then I'll put it on.
That's the rice to make the yellow rice. So you're gonna bake it and then what?
Boil it, then put it on grill in the oven. To burn.
Okay, okay. And we're gonna put this red kidney beans inside the rice, the yellow rice. And this be sitting for what, half an hour?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, alright, so we got 2 pots going there. I'm gonna preheat that oven soon. And do that. I'm kinda a little thirsty, you know. Little thirsty. Everybody got their drink.
When I drink water, I mind your business.
Ah, already clean window earlier, remember? Earlier today I cleaned. Let me get my glass. Alright, so everything start boiling.
I'll
show you.
I scared
Alright?
to mind my business.
Alright, so we make it. Ice. Pour a little thing in there. Already off. Drunk already. Water. Cheers to everybody, right? I think I'm gonna have to finish this bottle. I think they're punished. Struggling there, it's punishing there. Yeah, man. Salute to everyone. Shout out to all the subscribers, all the viewers. Everybody that's having a birthday today, yesterday, tomorrow, and my mother's birthday is coming up soon, February 5th. Couple days from now. So, okay. I'll put her, maybe I'll put a picture there if she let me. Who else's birthday?
Andy's birthday is on the same day.
Andy? Oh yeah, shout out to Andy, Alex's friend, where we used to live back in Toronto there. His birthday always that kid now. It's a year older than him, right? 18? It's gonna be 18. Happy birthday, Andy. Who else's birthday
It
is?
doesn't mean it's mother-in-law.
No, she name. What's she name?
Auntie Betty? Wait, no, that's her.
Galina Wade, mother-in-law name, girl. From New York.
One of your subscribers' mom. Angela.
Angela, what's your last name?
Gordon.
Gordon. Angela, tell your mother happy birthday. Alright? Yeah. Bless up, man. Nice weather, so trying to get some nice food, you know? Summer weather. boiling up. Time to boil. You add salt to that?
Salt and the yellow stuff.
You already add salt to this, right?
Yes.
And the oven ready. The oven is ready, 350. So how long are you gonna bake this for?
When it's done.
You just gotta keep checking it.
About an hour and then we're gonna grill it.
Yeah, it's a gas stove, so you can actually like grill it. What is it? The broil setting?
Yes.
After it's done bake, then you take it out and put it back. And put it on broil for a little bit. And then you're good to go. Can't burn it for too long though.
Can you give it turmeric?
This guy's hustling food over here. You hear nothing what he says now. Alright, so this is...
So we're gonna add some to get the
Oh, that's how you get the yellow from the rice?
Yeah, this is how I do it.
So you just throw some turmeric in the water.
That's how I get the rice yellow.
So if you want yellow rice, add turmeric to it, not dal.
And this is my own recipe, okay? I don't know how you get it yellow. I tried this and it worked, so I'm sticking with it.
That's why I requested.
It's my own recipe. I do my own things.
Whose birthday you said we got shout out to? Junior?
Yeah.
Junior
hit the rhyme, number 7.
Little guy, I show you a video of him busting a wine. I think he's in some of the video.
Yeah.
From the guy in the videos. Alright?
Happy birthday, baby Junior!
Yeah! What do you mean? Yo. Yeah, Junior. Yeah, Junior. Show them what you got it. Show them. Show them.
When I'm cooking, you don't know what I do. I try my own things and it comes
So it's
out.
experiment.
Yeah, I experiment and it comes out nice and you like it. So you want me to make it, so I'm showing you how I'm making it.
Oh. So I'm hungry. I don't even know what the hell I'm eating. As long as there's food.
I like it tastes good.
As long as there's food in the house when I come home, that's all.
And it tastes good, right?
Yeah, that's why I asked for it. But I get potato for bonus too, so, you know. You're gonna bake that and then bake it as well. Or fry it.
You're gonna boil it, then you're gonna grill it. I'm gonna burn it on the grill.
It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock somewhere in the world, alright?
I guess put us in.
Big up the Jack. Beer madness going on here today.
Oh God.
Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. Hot. Hurry up, let's get this party on the road. Man's be hungry over here. I should have go to work and come back. Food would have been done. Somebody would have been in trouble. Let's go, let's go. That rice, you can just eat it just like that. Right now.
It's already tasty itself.
Yeah.
Bring out my electric can opener. I don't know why I keep doing it the old way.
Old is better than new. Sometimes. You washing that out? Yeah guys, something different from Korean rice. You know? Yeah, we just make, well now this lady here just make up her own things. You pot boiling with nothing inside.
There's some oil.
You throw an olive oil in it.
Can use either.
If you guys wondering, there's music in the background. YouTube, I'm adding music to my video.
We're gonna use our same seasoning. It's mostly like a seasoned rice. You can do some fresh onions and stuff, but yeah.
Are you gonna put that in after?
Yeah, green onion.
What are you throwing in here?
One of the chicken cubes.
Chicken cube?
Yeah.
So the rice will taste like chicken?
Yeah. So we're doing our chicken and everything's gonna combine.
And we get the beans to go in.
I'm gonna.
There, I got to do something. Yeah, some I've been in this pot.
Because the beans.
Oops.
So because the beans didn't have any salt, have no salt in it. Or,
Add some salt to it.
yeah.
And the beans are already soft, right? Being in the can so long. With its own liquid what they add to it. Scene. Soon we're gonna get rice. Chicken not done yet.
That's a Chinese spice.
What's you adding?
Chinese spice. Chinese spice.
Just a little sprinkle. Next time them guys come to drink, just make that for them. Chase so they can have one.
Rice thing.
That look like you can just eat just like that. Yeah man. Make this and give them one toothpick. I'll let it stab and go. Rice time. Yeah.
Very simple, my own recipe.
Yeah man. In this house is 10 minutes business going on in here. 10 minutes and you get food.
What?
10 minutes, that's all you need, you get food in this yard. So, better than nothing, right? Yeah, nice.
Did you bring the carrot?
Make up your own
Did you bring
recipe.
the carrot? Did you bring the carrot?
I don't think there's any.
There's a whole bag.
I don't think you remember what you went downstairs for. Yeah. So that's what's going on. You gotta add more salt to the rice.
No, it's already salted. You can get the carrot.
Just gonna sprinkle that on top.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta go check my boy Bugs. See if he can lend me a carrot. Come back. Alright, be back with the carrot.
It's not cheese, it's carrot.
Just gonna sprinkle it on.
I think I made more mess than anything.
Some nice colors there.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah man, so that's the yellow rice. And beans. What other beans you can use with this thing?
Any beans you like.
Proper things.
This is good. This is good for a veggie day too. But you don't have to. Don't add the cube.
What's wrong with the cube?
Cause it's chicken.
It's all dust.
No, you substitute whatever chicken flavor stuff for regular, and you're good.
Oh yeah. Hey, come here.
You can add any more things, veggie or beans or anything you like.
This one smelled food. He showed up. They showing up one at a time while food done. You finish your laundry in your room?
Yeah.
All of it? I'm gonna come check with the camera. And y'all can see all the holy box that we get. Are you going outside? I'm gonna play piano up there. Anyway, so rice is done, right? So this is what it looks like.
Easy recipe.
Alright guys, we gotta go outside again. We gotta go check on them youths outside. Get them on doing some work. But let me check on the chicken. Smells good. How long that was in there? Half an hour? Almost half an hour, I think.
How long it took us to make the rice?
More than half an hour. Yeah. They gotta flip them? Yeah, they need to cook a little bit more. By the way, I spiked the while nobody was looking, I put ice in here. Yeah.
Ice alone?
Yeah, ice.
You think I can't taste?
Yeah, no, you can taste. You taste chicken just now. Throw a little bit of ice in there. I gotta go check on these guys. All right, let's go see what I'm gonna do outside.
You get burnt full, you know why?
Get them on. It's a little work to do, you know. See here. Get them on a little duty. Can't waste the day. So you gotta do a little car cleaning, see? They make all this mess, not me. So whoever be making mess, let them clean it up. You gotta carry this around in your car, man. You know? Smell a little nice sometimes. Yeah. Yo, you doing both cars, right? Both cars you doing?
Yeah.
Alright. Get them on a little cleaning mission here. Keep them busy, you know? Let me go see what you're doing. Chores. I mean, bright. The sunlight is way too bright. There we go. There we go. That's good. That's good. Yeah. So what you gotta do now?
I'm gonna take out some of that gravy and I'm gonna put this on broil.
Alright, so you gotta basically burn right now. Right? Why don't you use a different pan for it? Just gonna
Yeah, let's take that out.
strain out the gravy.
Gotta help me.
Eddie, I'm watching you. Keep going.
All of it. Whole chicken.
You good there. Yeah, man.
I want the skin burn.
You gotta do a next flip. So you're gonna put the potato right there. Same time. Yeah, man. So that's what this. So this is done baking. All right. So now you just gotta broil, which is like fire. Fire just gonna be down on them, like if it's in a real barbecue outside. But this oven is gas stove, so you get real fire in there as well. So you just like jerk the top of it. Pull it down. Where's the fire?
Don't touch.
See the fire right there? So it's like grilling. See that?
Don't touch the thing.
Yeah man, my phone melting. It's hot. So we're gonna throw these in. It's ready. Right? So you just gotta put that and the fire is gonna cook it. How long are you gonna cook that for?
Just a couple minutes.
Yeah, just to like
Burn it.
burn the top of it.
The char.
Get the jerk season that's on top. This one here. So let it bake in. That's it. All right, let's see. So about 5 minutes. About that. See how it's burnt the sauce in there? Yeah, man, done. And we got the potatoes in there as well, right?
Just put it up.
Just let that bake a little bit more. And we good to go. Look at this. Yo. 1 piece with rice in a bowl. 2-piece salad, $10. What do you mean, yo? Good stuff, good stuff. So that's it, guys. That's how we make our jerk chicken meal in this house.
Chicken, our yellow rice.
And we got a yellow rice, eh? And the potato, maybe a salad to go with it or some cucumbers. Good to go. So that's the way she makes it. I'm gonna eat it soon.
Better not complain.
Yeah, getting that hungry, getting that Jack Daniels burn coming through. You know? You come home from work, look at that sun. That sun is dangerous, watch it. Right to my face. Maybe I can get a nice tan here. Yeah, guys, so done. So we're gonna make plates and eat up, right? So, what do we got here? We got scoop of rice, chicken, jerk chicken special, potato. I don't like so much potato, man. Give me so much potato. And salad, right? So, everybody here on the
Hey,
table.
buddy.
What you guys say? Where you been all day? What you doing upstairs all day?
Hi.
Hi. This looks delicious. Very delicious.
First taste.
I need another fork. Alright guys, that's how we do our that's Japanese phone again.
That was notification.
This is how jerk chicken does be done in this house, this yard. It's nothing different. Me tasting it another day or right now, so always good, right?
Ready? Tasting the potato.
A nice piece, eh?
You didn't taste the rice.
Oh, it's good, guys.
What did you just say? Are you just hungry? What do you have to say? Did he take a big bite?
Really delicious. I love the salad.
Really? We didn't even cook the salad. How do you love salad?
Do you normally make the salad?
Okay, taste the other stuff now.
I will.
I can't wait on you.
Is salad good?
Here.
yummy.
Here's the cook. What is the cook thing?
It's good for me.
It's good for you? Alright. So guys, thank you for watching again. Like and subscribe as usual. And enjoy February. Getting some nice weather in February for the next week. And see how things go from there, right? What?
Is it spicy?
Nope. Thanks for watching again. See you guys on the next vlog. Alright.